Yo tech lovers, ready to ride the future? Discover the top 12 mini electric vehicles taking over city streets in 2026. Small, smart, and game-changing. Don't blink, the future is here right now. The Vave Mobility EVA Micro EV represents a new direction in urban transportation, focusing on compact design, efficiency, and affordability. Built for crowded city environments, it is easy to maneuver through narrow streets while still providing comfortable seating for small families. A standout feature is its solar roof, which helps extend driving range and reduces the need for frequent charging. With multiple battery options, the vehicle can suit both short trips and longer daily commutes. Its performance is optimized for smooth acceleration and safe city speeds, making it a practical, eco-friendly solution for modern urban mobility challenges. The Tazari Zeromax is a compact electric vehicle designed to meet the demands of modern urban mobility in 2026. Built for narrow streets and dense traffic, it offers easy parking and smooth navigation in crowded cities. Its lightweight structure and efficient electric drivetrain ensures zero emissions while maintaining strong performance. The vehicle is available in different speed configurations, allowing it to comply with various urban regulations. Despite its small size, it delivers a reliable driving range supported by advanced lithium battery technology. Inside, it features a simple and functional layout focused on driver comfort, convenience, and everyday practicality. The WalkCar 2 Pro is a futuristic solution for compact urban mobility designed by Coco Motors. This ultra-light personal vehicle is small enough to carry like a laptop, making it perfect for modern city life and quick transportation needs. Its portable design allows users to store it in a backpack and use it anytime for short-distance travel. Instead of traditional controls, it operates through body weight shifts, providing a smooth and intuitive riding experience. Built with lightweight materials, it is ideal for last-mile commuting, offering a smart, flexible, and innovative way to move efficiently through crowded urban environments. The Yamaha Tricera Proto by Yamaha Motor Company represents a bold vision for future urban mobility. This innovative concept features a unique three-wheel layout with an advanced steering system that allows all wheels to move independently, delivering highly responsive handling in tight city spaces. Its open-top design enhances the connection between the rider and the surroundings, blending elements of both a car and a motorcycle. Beyond basic transportation, it focuses on creating an engaging and enjoyable driving experience. With its futuristic design and human-centered engineering, the Tricera Proto redefines how electric vehicles can combine performance, emotion, and everyday practicality. The Microlino Light by Micro Mobility Systems reflects the growing trend towards smaller and smarter urban transportation. With its retro-inspired bubble design, it combines classic style with modern electric efficiency. Its compact size allows easy movement through traffic and effortless parking in tight city spaces. Designed as a low-speed quadricycle, it is ideal for short-distance travel while still offering comfort and convenience. The lightweight structure and efficient electric powertrain provide a smooth and quiet ride for daily use. Overall, the Microlino Light makes electric mobility more accessible, affordable, and practical for modern urban living. The Swapa Zip by Swapa represents a new wave of compact urban transportation. Designed for crowded city environments, this ultra-small electric vehicle easily navigates tight streets and fits into limited parking spaces. Despite its size, it offers practical seating for 2 passengers, making it suitable for daily commuting. As a lightweight quadricycle, it focuses on efficiency, simplicity, and ease of use rather than high speed. Its electric drivetrain ensures smooth, quiet performance, while the removable battery system provides flexible charging options. Overall, the Swapa Zip delivers a smart, space-saving, and convenient solution for modern urban mobility needs. The Uniwheel Rally XL by FutureMotion represents an exciting evolution in personal electric mobility. Designed for agility and performance, this single-wheel device offers a unique riding experience for urban environments. Its large 12-inch tire improves traction and stability, allowing smoother rides on uneven city terrain. The powerful motor delivers strong torque for quick acceleration and easy hill climbing. With a reliable range on a single charge, it supports daily commuting and short trips. The wider stance enhances balance and control even at higher speeds. Compact and portable, the Rally XL is a smart, innovative solution for modern, rider-focused transportation. The Buggy X Pro by Daymak represents a new category of compact urban mobility solutions. This small four-wheel electric vehicle is designed for short trips, errands, and everyday convenience. Its fully enclosed cabin protects riders from weather conditions, making it suitable for year-round use. Combining the comfort of a mini vehicle with the simplicity of a scooter, it features easy controls and a maneuverable design for tight city spaces. The electric motor delivers smooth, quiet, and zero-emission performance. Overall, the Buggy X Pro offers a practical, eco-friendly option for short-distance travel in modern urban environments.